Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna open up the Hot Wheels Halo Vehicle series. This set has been out for a long time now, but I finally decided to pick it up to add these vehicles to my collection. The first vehicle in the set is the UNSC Warthog. Our second Halo Hot Wheels is the UNSC GUNGOOSE. Number 3 from the Halo series is the UNSC Scorpion. Next in the Halo series, we have the Covenant Ghost. And possibly the best for last, we have the Banished WRAITH. There we have the 5 very cool Hot Wheels Halo vehicles. I think they're pretty awesome, and I'm glad I finally got them for my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.